Good morning, dear student. Now I will discuss about the speed control of three-phase induction motor without voltage injection. Method can be classified into four categories. First is varying frequency. Varying varying frequency. Varying supply frequency. Supply frequency. Second, varying stator poles. Stator poles. Third, varying stator terminal voltage. Fourth, varying rotor resistance. Rotor resistance. These are the methods by which we are controlling the speed of the three-phase induction motor. The method are varying supply frequency, varying stator poles, varying stator terminal voltage, varying rotor resistance. We have to control the speed of the three-phase induction motor. Now, if I am talking about varying supply frequency, as we know that F is equal to Pn divided by 120. If we are talking about Nr is the 120 F divided by P. If we are increasing the frequency, the Nr is increases. If frequency is decreases, then the Nr is decreases. With the by changing the frequency of the supply, we have to change the speed of the three-phase induction motor. Now, currently, if we are talking about current technology, VFD drive are used for the controlling of speed of three-phase induction motor. Currently, industry has used VFD drive. VFD means variable frequency drive. This drive changes the frequency and changes the supply frequency that changes the speed of three-phase induction motor. Yeah, with the help of VFD drive, we have to control the speed of the three-phase induction motor. Now, if I'm talking about varying stator pole, if we are changing number of pole of the stator, then if increasing the number of pole of the stator, then speed will be decreases. If decreases number of pole of the stator, then speed will be increases. This is the difficult task for the changing pole of the stator winding. If once a three-phase induction motor is manufactured, it is the difficult task to change the stator pole of the three-phase induction motor. This is the theoretical concept by which we are controlling the speed of the three-phase induction motor. Now, after that, I will discuss about the varying stator terminal voltage. Torque is, if we are talking about varying stator terminal voltage, electromagnetic torque is directly proportional to the Vt square. If we are changing the Vt, the speed will be changes. By changing the terminal voltage, we have to control the speed of the three-phase induction motor. Now, finally, I will discuss about the varying rotor resistance. We are this type of controlling is applicable for wound type या wound rotor type three-phase induction this concept is applicable only for wound rotor type three-phase induction motor. Here we are applying external resistance to the rotor for the controlling of the speed. We have to apply external resistance to the rotor. The slip will be changes according to the changes of the rotor, which changes the torque and speed of the rotor. This is the all about the speed control of three-phase induction motor without rotor voltage injection. Thank you very much.